fishermen gather to pray for a successful season and safe return to home. We are going to stop there. You have time to get out, to get some photograph.
Hey, what's going on, beach bums? It is Mazatlan day. I decided to take one of these guided tours, if you will, where they take you to a bunch of different sites throughout Mazatlan. And I'll get you the name of the tour company afterwards. Right now, the guy's name is Jorge, the driver, but I'll get you the name of the tour company. We've made a couple little stops, didn't get out, but this is the first one we'll get out. Let me show you this view. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. See if I can find a name for this place, but wow, the view is amazing. Very, very nice. Let's walk down here. So as you can see, it goes all the way down that way. Yeah, very nice. All right, beach funds, I'm back. I'm over on the other side of what I was showing you here. So you can see, look at that. What a beautiful, beautiful view. Amazing, right? Give you guys a little spin. Oh, Lord. All right, instead of looking at my face, how about looking at that? Look at this. That water seems really inviting. It's warm, a little humid. I think Puerto Vallarta was a little bit worse yesterday, quite honestly. At least today, I'm in the air conditioning van, so it's not too bad. Yesterday we were just walking around. But wow, look at that. Pretty nice, pretty dang nice. So yeah, so let me just turn you around. You can see up there. We just walk down these steps and then come over to this area over here. So pretty good, pretty nice. All right, beach bums, we've stopped again. We're at where they do the cliff diving. So you'll see it right over there. Go jump off of that. I believe he said it's like 45 feet high. So I don't know how often they do it. If they do it while I'm here, I'll turn the camera over to that direction. But anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can kind of see the area around here. Pretty nice. Pretty big area. If you come down, of course, they've got all the different vendors trying to sell you stuff and what have you. Oh, looks like another platform over there. I don't know. I don't think they dive off of that one over there. Oh, there's somebody up there diving off. So I think he's. I don't know. Yeah, I'll turn the camera that way when he gets ready to dive. Show you some more of the area here. Really beautiful. stopped. Sorry, it's probably really loud behind me, but we're stopped at this place called Michael Gallery. Got handicraft, art, jewelry, etc. The driver stopped us here. They offer you, of course, you know, they want you to go shopping and all that stuff. They offer you free margaritas. Looks like there's some beer, possibly, and some Coke, Diet Coke, and water. So, you know, if you're not willing to shop, at least have yourself a free margarita or so. But the group's inside. Just thought I'd check in, let you know what we're doing here, and I'll check back in with you guys later. All right, beach bumps, checking back in. We just stopped here at some resort just so we can put our toes in the water, not ass in the sand. We can't get dirty because we gotta go back and shuttle. We're just stopping here for like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take a few pictures. Met a fellow a beach bum. She's a new beach bum right behind me. I'm gonna take a picture with her, post it on the Facebook group. That is Lori Scott. And anyway, so we'll be right back with you.